all, welcome to my channel. So I'm Ananya and in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make a very easy Christmas greeting card. So let's start. So the materials needed for this video are a white A4 size sheet, 2 origami papers, one of green color and one of brown. Then you need some stars shaped stickers, some sketch pens, 5 quilling strips. We're not gonna do quilling, we're just gonna stick it on the sides. So you need some quilling strips, any measurement. Then a fevicol, one scale, one eraser, one pencil and one scissors. So let's start. So first we are going to take this sheet and now we are going to fold it into half. And we are going to keep this side in the front. Then we will take our quilling strips. I'm going to stick this like this. So now here I'll mark it with a pencil and I'll cut it. Now I'll apply glue here and stick the measured sheet. You have to do like this on all the sides. This way we'll be sticking all the sides. So I've stick the last side and some portion is left. So I'll just cut this out. So this way we prepared our borders. Now what we have to do is we have to take this paper and just mark 1 centimeter and draw a line and fold it like this and fold it then backwards and front, like we create a fan. Backwards and front, backwards and front. If you want a broader Christmas tree, then you can take off 2 centimeter. I want a thin one, so I'm doing it like this. And finally like this. So now we need a little smaller one. So I'm gonna cut it, just holding it and cutting some part from the end. Think it will be perfect now, I'm guessing. Or we can even trim it a little more. So this is the perfect measurement. And now we'll just stick all of them to each other. A lot of fevicol will come out and all of these will stick. Now here on the back part we'll apply some glue and we'll stick the Christmas tree a little above from the ground like this, and it will set after some time. Don't press it too hard. What I am doing is I am applying some glue here on this side and I'm just spreading it here. This way I have done it, and here I will again apply some glue because it got a little stretched. So this way I'll be sticking it. So now our Christmas tree is sticked, and now I'll be taking this paper and I'll be measuring. It needs till here. Now we'll measure. I'm taking 5, it's 6. So this way it's coming 5.7, and I'll take the breadth 2.5 centimeter, and now we'll cut out a rectangle here. And we'll stick the rectangle here. A little under the Christmas tree and here. Now what I'll do is I'll take one star out of it. I think this one would look good. So on my Christmas tree theme, this one would look good. I'm not sticking it on the top of the Christmas tree, I'm sticking it on the paper. And this looks so cool. Now it's time to write Merry Christmas. So I'll be drawing a Christmas tree here like this. This way I'll be drawing a small Christmas tree. Like this, and now I'll be just filling it up. So I've colored the Christmas tree and I'm drawing some cute balls over it with different colors. Now I'll draw one with blue. I hope it's visible. And on top of it I'll draw a star. So this way on the other side also you have to draw. So this way I have drawn it on both the sides, and now with the pink sketch pen I'll be writing Merry Christmas. Merry. I'll be writing the short form of Christmas. And so like this card looks very pretty. So we made a very pretty and simple Merry Christmas greeting card. And now for a little decoration, I'll just do like this. And our Merry Christmas greeting card is ready. So I hope you guys like the video. So do like, subscribe and share, and comment down below how was the video. Bye guys, meet you in my next video.